Our tutorial today. So today we'll be doing practical on how to mold your fascinator base. So here with me I have my mold. Okay, I have my tape rule for measurement. I have my material, which is I'm using paper mats. Okay, already cut. I have my scissors. I have my pin. I have my Vaseline. You can use any type of oil base. Okay, and I have my cellophane, which is nylon that you can use to wrap the mold. Okay, I have my bowl for mixing for the stiffener, and this is my stiffener. Okay, this is the one I can see, the one I can get in my market. Then this is butter to mix the stiffener. Okay, so let's go. So now, first and foremost, you will take your cellophane and you will wrap. You will wrap your mold. Okay, it's just to safeguard it for easy removal. By the time you finish your molding, so it will be easy for you to remove it. Okay, so the water on the stiffener will not affect also your mold. You will take your oil base, okay, just a little. Okay, this oil is just to enable you to remove your base from the mold. Okay, so you rub it generously front and back. Okay, then you will take your material. Okay, take your material. This mold I'm using is 8.5 inches. Okay, so I added 4 extra inches. So let's see, this 8.5. This my mold is 8.5. Okay, 8.5. So I added 4 inches, making 12. Okay, 12. 4 inches making 12. So what I did is that I cut my material. The width is 12 inches, whereas the length is also 12 inches. So 12 by 12, okay, times 2. So I'm doubling it. Okay, so let's go there. So what I need to do, I join the two material together, then I place my mold. Already I have greased it. So I place my mold and I pick, you have to do it the 4 corner first, which east, west, south and north. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm saying. You pick this, you drag it very well. Okay, position it the way to be able to balance. Okay, the middle, you drag the two sides together like this. You take your pin and you hold it just to secure it. Okay, you take this side as well, you drag it. Okay, so we are taking the north south east first. Okay, then you take out this side, you drag it as well. Okay, drag it and you secure it. Okay, by the time you have secured it, then you start the main work. Okay, you drag this. Okay, make sure you drag it very well to get this nice shape here, this shape of the base of the mold. So you start pinning. Okay, you hold it, you drag it very well. Okay, watch and learn. Okay, just make sure you're dragging it. Make sure you're dragging it and you're pinning it. Make sure you're getting this fine edge here. Okay, okay, all you need to do is just keep dragging it. Keep dragging it. keep dragging it to get this smooth edge. That is the beauty. Okay. Okay, you can see this one has fallen up, but you hold it again. That means I didn't pin it very well. So you keep dragging and pin, drag, pin. We are going to go round it. Okay. So you keep dragging and pin, drag and pin, drag and pin. Okay, to get this fine edge here. Okay, that is the beauty of it. Okay, so watch and learn. It's not easy to pin this, okay? But you have to be patient so you can get a good work, a good finishing. Okay. Keep doing it. It's not easy to pin, but you keep doing it until you achieve good. Watch and learn. Okay. So watch and learn. If you have any question, kindly send on the comment section. I'll be willing to answer. Okay. So the first pin is finished. I'm opening another one. Okay. So just have to be patient, and so that you achieve good results, and your customer or your client will be happy. Okay, when using it, and they'll be able to come back again and request for another one. Okay, so I'll be doing 20 pieces of this for my client work. So that's why I say let me carry along so that we'll learn together. Okay, so I'll be doing 20 pieces of this for my client. Okay, for the fascinator I want to do. All right, so now we have successfully do it. You can see, very simple and nice. Okay, so what we need to do now is to mix our signal. Okay, we'll take our plates and we'll pour our signal. Okay, here now is a stiffener, so I'm going to pour. I'm not going to add too much water, okay, just a little water to make it light, okay, so it will be able to dry fast. Okay, just add a little water to, okay, so you just use your hand to mix it. Okay, so to get the consistency you can see, so I will take my covered mold. I'll use hand to massage it. So this is because I'm making 20 pieces and the client wants it urgently, so I won't be adding too much, okay, too much water, so it will be able to dry fast. Okay, just watch and learn. Okay, use your hand to massage it very well so that it will penetrate. You know, I double it so it will penetrate very well. Okay, you turn this side, you also apply your stiffener. The consistency will make it to dry very fast, so I'll be able to deliver in time. Okay, not the one I wait for weeks for it to dry. Okay, massage it very well, very well. So you can see I added little water on this stiffener. Okay, massage it, let it penetrate very well. Within 1 day, this will dry. Okay, within 1 day, even with fan, you can put fan. Okay, room temperature, that's room temperature, can dry it fast if there is no sun. Okay, not the one you keep for weeks, 2 weeks, 1 week, 4 days. No, you don't need that. What you need is what will work for you, so that you'll be able to give your customer in time. Okay, okay. So here comes easiest way to do your mold. Okay, to mold your fascinator base, easiest way and for easy and quick dry. Okay, this one within this 1 day to dry, even with fan, with room temperature, with or without sun, to dry fast. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you again in my next video, but by the time I'm designing it, I'll be able to also carry you along. Thank you and bye.